This is the solution for question 17 of section 2 of the College Board Practice SAT for 2009. In this question, we're told that the shaded figure shown here is a polygon with equal sides and equal angles and is partially covered by a sheet of paper shown here. We're also told that the sum of angle X and angle Y is 80 degrees. And we're asked to find how many sides does this polygon have. At first, it may not be obvious where to begin. When that's the case, start asking yourself, how do I use the information given? How can I get more information by applying that? So in this case, we're shown the portion of the polygon that is now a quadrilateral. So we can get the measure of this angle and that angle. So in order to throw another variable in there, I'll call this angle Z and that one there Z. So that the equation that we can get for these is that X plus Y plus 2Z is equal to 360, because the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360, and we know that X plus Y equals 80, which is this X plus Y here. So that allows us to get then that 2Z is equal to 360 minus 80, which is equal to 280. Dividing both sides by 2 gives us that Z equals 140. So we're able to get now that angle is 140 degrees. Now the problem becomes finding how many sides does a regular polygon have with an interior angle of 140 degrees. Now there is a relationship that tells us the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon based on the number of sides, and we can use that then to divide by the number of sides to get the measure of the interior angle of a regular polygon. To show you how to remember that formula and how to derive it, we'll show you this kind of relationship here. So we know that if I have a three-sided polygon, it's 180 degrees. That's pretty simple. For a four-sided polygon, it's 360 degrees. For any n-sided polygon greater than 3, just count the number of triangles that exist within the polygon and multiply times 180. So for a rectangular in this case, there are 2 triangles, and therefore the sum of the interior measures of the interior angles is 2 times 180, which is 360. For a 5-sided polygon, there are 3 triangles, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 180, which is equal to 540 degrees. For a 6-sided polygon, 1, 2, 3. So there are 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals 4 times 180, which is 720 degrees. So we can see that when n is equal to 3, the result is 1 times 180. When it's n is equal to 4, it's 2 times 180. When it's n equals to 5, 3 times 180. And when n is equal to 6, 4 times 180. So the general formula is n minus 2 times 180 is the total number of degrees in an n-sided polygon. Now if that's a regular polygon, then all the angles are the same measure, and if we divide this quantity by n, that'll give us the measure of each of the interior angles. So in that case, n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So now, going back to the original question, all we have to find is solving for n for the case when the interior measure is 140. cross multiplying, I'm going to continue over here. Cross multiplying, I'll get n minus 2 times 180 equals 140n. Distributing, 180n minus 360 equals 140n. Subtracting 140 from both sides, 140n, and adding 360 to both sides, we'll get 40n equals 360, and that then n equals 9. So this is an n-sided regular polygon.